Tom Brady's day begins long before the sun rises. He wakes up at 5 a.m., emphasizing the importance of starting the day early and setting a positive tone. Upon waking, he immediately drinks 20 ounces of electrolyte-infused water. This helps rehydrate his body after sleep and kickstarts his metabolism. Breakfast is a nutrient-rich affair, typically consisting of a protein smoothie packed with fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This provides him with sustained energy for his morning workout and sets the foundation for a day of healthy eating. Brady also incorporates mindfulness into his morning routine. He takes a few moments for meditation or deep breathing exercises. This helps him center himself, reduce stress, and prepare mentally for the day ahead. This combination of hydration, nutrient-dense foods, and mindfulness sets the stage for a productive and energized day. Tom Brady's workouts are a cornerstone of the TB12 method. He focuses on functional strength training and pliability exercises. These workouts are designed to build strength, enhance flexibility, and improve range of motion. Brady's workouts typically last for 60 to 90 minutes and incorporate a variety of resistance bands, body weight exercises, and agility drills. He emphasizes proper form and technique over heavy weights. This approach helps prevent injuries and promotes longevity. Pliability is a key element of Brady's training regimen. He spends a significant amount of time before and after his workouts performing pliability exercises. These exercises involve using specialized equipment and techniques to release muscle tension and improve flexibility.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your...
Section 5. The importance of rest and recovery. Tom Brady prioritizes rest and recovery as much as his workouts and nutrition. He understands that true recovery is essential for allowing his body to repair and rebuild. Brady incorporates various recovery methods into his routine, including massages, cold therapy, and sleep. He believes that these practices help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and promote muscle recovery. Sleep is the cornerstone of Brady's recovery strategy. He aims for 8 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. He understands that sleep is when the body repairs itself and rebuilds muscle tissue. Section 6. The TB12 method, a holistic approach to wellness. Tom Brady's TB12 method is more than just a fitness regimen. It's a holistic approach to wellness. It's about making conscious choices that support his physical and mental health. By focusing on pliability, hydration, nutrition, functional strength training, recovery, and mental fitness, we can unlock our full potential. Brady's dedication to health and wellness is an inspiration to us all.